In the vast and diverse landscapes of Africa, there exists a group of animals that have captured the imagination of adventurers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. These are the Big Five, a term coined by big game hunters to describe the most challenging animals to hunt on foot. But beyond their hunting allure, these animals represent the essence of Africa's untamed beauty and raw power. The elephant. Enter the realm of Africa's gentle giants, the elephants. With their majestic presence and wise demeanor, elephants command admiration and respect across the savannahs and forests of Africa. These magnificent creatures, with their wrinkled skin and imposing tusks, are not only the largest land mammals on Earth, but also among the most intelligent. Found in various habitats from the dense rainforests of Central Africa to the vast plains of the Serengeti, elephants form tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch who guides her herd with wisdom acquired over decades of experience. Witness the tender moments as elephant mothers care for their calves, teaching them the essential skills of survival in the wilderness. Despite their gentle nature, elephants are formidable when threatened, using their immense strength and powerful tusks to defend their young and assert dominance over their territory. Yet, despite their size and strength, these magnificent creatures face numerous threats, from habitat loss to poaching, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts to ensure their continued survival. Lions. Step into the golden grasslands where the kings of the jungle reign supreme of the African lions. With their majestic manes and thunderous roars, lions epitomize strength, power, and unity. Living in prides consisting of related females and their offspring, as well as a few resident males, lions exhibit remarkable social dynamics and cooperative hunting strategies. Witness the awe-inspiring sight of a lioness leading her pride on a hunt, displaying agility, stealth, and unparalleled teamwork. Despite their fearsome reputation as apex predators, lions also showcase tender moments of affection and bonding, with pride members engaging in mutual grooming and playful interactions. However, the survival of these iconic cats is under threat, with habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching posing significant challenges. Through conservation efforts and increased awareness, we can ensure that the roar of the African lion continues to echo across the savannahs for generations to come. Leopards. Venture into the shadows of the dense African bushveld to encounter the elusive and enigmatic leopard. With its sleek coat adorned with distinctive rosettes, the leopard is the epitome of stealth, agility, and grace. Unlike their social counterparts, leopards are solitary creatures, preferring to roam the wilderness alone, except during mating season, or when a mother cares for her cubs. Witness the remarkable camouflage skills of the leopard as it effortlessly blends into its surroundings, disappearing into the dappled light of the forest. Despite their solitary nature, leopards are devoted mothers, fiercely protective of their offspring, and diligent teachers, imparting essential hunting skills to their cubs. However, like many of Africa's iconic species, leopards face numerous threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. By raising awareness and supporting conservation initiatives, we can ensure that these elusive cats continue to thrive in the wild. Buffalo. Enter the rugged terrain where the formidable Cape buffalo roam. With their massive horns and robust build, these bovines command respect as one of Africa's most dangerous animals. Living in large herds led by a dominant bull, Cape buffalo exhibit remarkable social cohesion and cooperative behavior, especially when faced with threats from predators such as lions or hyenas. Witness the awe-inspiring sight of a herd of buffalo defending their territory, forming a formidable wall of horns and hooves to repel attackers. Despite their gruff exterior, Cape buffalo are devoted parents, with mothers fiercely protective of their calves, ensuring their safety within the herd. However, these iconic animals face numerous threats, including habitat loss, disease, and poaching. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting coexistence between humans and wildlife, we can ensure that the thundering hooves of the Cape buffalo continue to echo across the African plains. Rhino. Journey to the plains and savannas where the ancient rhinoceros roams. With their massive size and formidable horns, rhinos are among the most iconic and endangered species in Africa. Despite their herbivorous diet, rhinos are not to be underestimated, with their thick skin and powerful charge making them formidable adversaries for would-be predators. Witness the majestic sight of a rhino grazing peacefully in the savannah, a reminder of the beauty and resilience of Africa's wildlife. However, the survival of these magnificent creatures is under threat, with poaching for their horns driving them to the brink of extinction. Through concerted conservation efforts, including anti-poaching measures and habitat protection, we can ensure that the thunderous footsteps of the rhino continue to resonate across the African wilderness for generations to come. As we conclude our journey through the realm of the Big Five, one thing becomes abundantly clear. These iconic animals are not just symbols of Africa's wilderness, they are guardians of its ecological balance. Through their resilience, strength, and unwavering spirit, they embody the essence of Africa's untamed beauty, reminding us of the importance of preserving their habitats for future generations to cherish and admire. Join us as we continue to celebrate and protect these magnificent creatures, ensuring that the legacy of the Big Five lives on for eternity. We hope you enjoyed the journey into the world of the Big Five. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates. Until we meet again next time, take care. Bye.